Floppy disks. Magnetic media is spread on the surface of a soft disk and the disk is enclosed in a plastic cover as shown in the illustration. This is a floppy disk, FD. It was once widely accepted by the market, however, due to the limited capacity, USB memory takes it over at present. It is also called a flexible disk or a diskette. It stores data using magnetism. There is a write protect hole to protect data in the corner of the 3.5-inch disk, which was the most common. When this write protect hole is open, it cannot be written to. It is in a write protected condition.